coming this way. If only we had a better understanding of the asteroid population, we might be able to stop it before it impacts into our planet. Why are you just standing there? Help! You know, I think I might know somebody that can help us with this problem.
You do?
I do. I'll go get him. You keep typing. Wait! Put that can down! What if I was to tell you that there's a better way for you to express yourself without defacing public property?
Are you a cop?
No! But what if I was also to tell you that you can actually express yourself and do science?
Let's get started.
LED throwies or blinkies or sparklers or whatever you want to call them, kind of this amalgamation between like hacker culture and street art culture.
The National Upcycle Computing Collective bring in donations that will provide us with computational resources that we can use to support science. Cancer research, AIDS research, protein folding, empowering science to do what it needs to do.
I'm thinking if we take that like artistic endeavor and we can kind of combine it with our kind of hacker ethos we got going on here, why don't we make a small device, maybe like a science throwy, so something like it's got blinky LEDs on there, but it's powered by a small computer like a Raspberry Pi that may not be necessarily super powerful, but if we have enough of them distributed, we could do some actual science.